can we somehow future-proof our career?
Word is solid. You want to
Mm.
future-proof your career, solid. S, you gotta have a support system. Multiple streams. Kung pwede sana, meron kang main job, may sideline. Makakatulong yon. Meron kang support system, di ba? And then, it's not lifetime employment that's important. It's employability. Employability is the ability to get employed whenever you want it, wherever you need it.
Mhm.
And there's only one key to employability, continuous improvement. So S is for have a support system. O is for opportunity radar. Kailangan parating nakabukas yan, di ba? Maybe I can't grab this opportunity today, but if anything happens, mukhang kakayanin ko to. Kailangan may listahan ako, di ba? At ina-update ko yan, right? Dapat ganun yon, opportunity radar. You have to have an opportunity radar,
Mhm.
always on.
Mhm.
Solid. L, leveraging. Huhugot ka dito, huhugot ka doon. Hingi ka ng tulong dito, di ba? Meron kang konting kilala dyan, may network ka doon. It means you're able to pull and push, press a button when needed. Gumawa ka ng paraan, but you have to have an idea also of what your resources are. Sino mga kakilala mo? Sino yung mga binigyan mo ng trabaho dati? Sino yung mga tinulungan mo? Kasi balang araw pwede mo takbuhan yan, di ba? So leveraging is so important. I is inner circle. So mentors, right? People who have your ear, people who speak life to you. Napaka-importante niyan. I cannot stress the importance of mentors in my life since I was 17, 18. And then finally, of course, divine intervention. The God who orchestrates all. Solid.